this is my 4th week of working on this business here. So I'm in my project AI Whiz Kid, and the last thing that we stopped at was me asking Claude what is the next step for week 4. So I just copied week 4, went on to chat. I copy this right here, went on to chat, and this is what it came up with. So this is the plan here. So build prompt, bedtime story machine, week 4, connect email capture to kit. We'll learn together. I'm not too sure what his kit is, so this is what it says. Paste this into Claude Code into the existing bedtime story machine project. Okay, so that's what I will be doing here. I'll copy all of this. Copy. And I'm going to go into Claude Code, which is here. And I'll go into the planning mode, which is here. So it'll think about it before it execute any, before it code any code. So in order to switch this to plan mode, you're going to hit Shift and Tab, and I'll paste that thing in there and just set it off. I will be back once it's done processing. Pasting this prompt into Claude. This is what it came up with. So it needs a kit API key and a kit form ID. So kit is, I think, is just like it helps with emailing. I think this is it here, but I am not too certain because I never actually used it before. So based on the so this is what I paste on into Claude here, but I haven't really read what Claude actually the plan is on Claude here. So that's that guy right there. So I'll just ask it. I never use kit before. Can you give me a link to it so I can access the API key? So basically, I'm just going to go back and forth with Claude to do this thing here. All right, so that's the kit. So I think that was the right one. Okay, so kit is here. Sign up for free plan. Still indirectly, same company. Okay, once you sign up and in the dashboard, the API key is there. Your account page has API key. So I'll just follow this and then I'll update that into Claude Code, and we'll go from there. So that is this step here, and it's basically making a emailer. So after the user or the potential buyer buy the product, it will email them, I guess. So I'm totally new at this step as well. So yeah, I guess here, welcome sequence. I will, once I set that up, once I get the API key by following this step here, I will, yeah, I'll actually this one. I'll follow this step. I will come back. Claude built or generate this, it wants me to use a kit API, but after doing some research, it looks like kit API requires a pay plan after 14 days of free trial. So I asked it to change it to MailerLite to see if it's Does it require me to upgrade to a paid plan after 14 days? And it looks like it does not. So I will go ahead and ask Claude to write me a prompt so that I can switch everything to uh, MailerLite instead of a kit. So I will do that right now. Can you write me a prompt to paste into Claude Code to update to MailerLite instead of kit. So this is the kit here, but there is a free plan. But over in here, the upgrade to continue all the features. So I will stick with Mailer since there's a free plan, because at the moment up to 250 subscribers, so I don't even have one yet, so there's no point of paying for anything at the moment. Okay, so I already pasted this whole thing here. I'm not going to paste this whole thing again. So I'll get these later. So I'll just follow this, and then I'll paste it into Claude at the e.env local. So that's where it stores all the password. Onto Claude. So after asking Claude to exchange everything from Kit to Claude, this is what it produced, and I paste it on here so that it can start editing the code so it reflects the changes to mail kit instead of kit. So I will go ahead and come back. So this is the end product here. Basically, after a user fill out the form here, let me try to do it from the beginning. Let's do, let's say Katie again, being brave, and that. So at the moment, this MailerLite have 3 new subscribers. Okay, I am assuming through email, and I'll make the story. I'll make a mock email, and then that number should go up. test9@gmail.com. Get printable. So it produced that, and this should be 4 here. Should be 4. Let's see. That's weird. Let's try to do it again. see if it takes some time. Nope. Okay, looks like it's not going up either. Oh, right here. I'm not too sure why it's not going up there. But anywho, so it seems like it's actually moving. Okay. Our MailerLite set up here, and it's working fine. We will be doing updating the MailerLite process here. So there will be a sequence. So originally it was originally Claude made it to reflect Kit, but now it's a MailerLite. So we can just follow these process here, or follow Claude's direction for the first email, which is first step in the automation, send immediately on joining the group. So it will send out this email when the buyer or user of the bedtime story machine enter in their email, and then after 2 days, this will be sent out, and on the third email, this will be sent out. So I will be going back and forth and using Claude to update that. This is my first time using a MailerLite. So I will see. I'm just following this 24-week plan. So I'm just following it directly, having Claude, working with Claude and back and forth and to build this up. All right, I'll come back when this is all set up here. So it's just basically following the direction from Claude. This here, the welcome sequence using the MailerLite website. So there we go. So first things first, go to MailerLite, hit automation. So this is my first time doing this too, so I'm not too sure what I'm doing, just following along here. Create automation, trigger when a subscriber join. Let's see, where's that at? I don't even know where that's at. Abandoned card. Birthday. See, I don't know where it's at. Story. Start from scratch. Is that it? I don't really know where it's at. So I'll just copy this onto Claude. And so basically just go back and forth on here. And I don't want to waste your time, so I will. So this is just the process here. I'll just show you guys when it's all set up and done. But we're gonna just copy and paste onto Claude if you can't find anything, because sometimes Claude don't recognize or don't remember or don't know what exactly is on the MailerLite or any website. So just copy it and take a screenshot of it and paste it on there, and Claude can guide you through it. So in this case, you're on the gallery set, skip all those, click start. Oh, okay, so there you go. And top right, that opens up a blank page. And the first thing is that you just pick a trigger. Okay, so Okay, so I will go back and forth using this method. This is done. So the automation is done. I went back and forth with Claude. This is brand new to me too, so I just basically copy, take a screenshot of this and paste it on here and ask it to what is next. So okay, this is what I have. Things like that. So I went back and forth, and this is what it made here. So this automation here, bedtime story machine. The first email, it'll be here. Whenever a buyer or user of this enter in their email here, it will go into here, and it will send out the welcome email. So this is the first email here. When we first get the email from the bedtime story, it'll send this email to them. 2 days later, it will send out this email, and then 2 days later, it'll send out the third email. So the sequence will, what happened? The sequence will be as such here. Your keepsake story, and this is the what is inside, and the second email after 2 days, it will be this, and then third email will be 2 days later after the second, with all the clickable links as well. So everything's all set up and done. So we are finished with that. I already tested it, and it does work. So whenever the story is, or the email is inputted in here, it'll collect, it will trigger this email sequence. So, all right, if you guys have any question, let me know. But looks like I am pretty much done with this part, which is week 4, I believe. I will be posting this up. If you have any question, again, let me know. And thank you for watching.